Hi, I'm Cindy Napton. I'm a game writer and science fiction world builder. My pronouns are she, her. I was very proud to be included in the Introduction to Game Making by Coven using Unity, and even more proud to have completed it. Coven's inclusivity supports my voice, my viewpoint. As an older game creator, I felt like I was really valuable in the game industry. I appreciate the energy and compassion and support that Coven creates. Our course included game makers from around the world. Each of us brought our own skill set and perspective. And in the course, we were step-by-step led through 5 projects that created portfolio quality pieces. Our first project was a static camera, static scene using 3D modeling and playing with lighting, including textures and reflectivity and transparency. I loved it. This really built on something that I had done long ago and had forgotten about using SketchUp and 3D Studio Max. But Unity's tools were super easy to use and there was a great sense of play. Then we added physics and gravity by creating Rube Goldberg style machines. That was a fun one. And our third project, we were given an almost complete 2D platformer game and asked to change out the elements with other found assets and add preliminary C# programming such as camera follow, following the player, and destroy. On our fourth project, we'd do anything we wanted to. I really wanted to keep it simple and take what I'd done in the third project, only do it better. And because I'm an art person, create all the assets myself. And that's when I find Asperite. So I got to build fairies, a little fairy that flies, and berries, and platforms, and all the pieces that you need for a platformer. It was really fun to do that. But the fifth and final project was the best. We got to take everything that we'd learned in our first 4 projects and add in skills like scoping and scheduling and pipeline process. I had a wonderful partner, and we were luckily in close to the same time zone, and our skills and interests really complemented each other. So it was very much a really solid game dev team. It was super fun. This class was a great 8-week class, and to have come out with 5 distinct portfolio pieces, I'm very proud. I got over my fear of C#. I now know that C# is challenging for everyone, but I know how to find the answers. I know how to go onto Google and do the research, and that it's really copying what works for other people. I have great respect for it, but I feel much more comfortable with it. I really want to say thank you to Coven. It was a fantastic class, and I'm really proud of the portfolio pieces that I came up with. Thank you so much.